Welcome to our comparison of two popular portable washing machines, the BLACK+DECKER Small Portable Washer and the Auertech Portable Washing Machine. In this video, we will explore their features, specifications, and user feedback to help you make an informed choice. Let's dive in. The BLACK+DECKER Small Portable Washer is a fully automatic machine, meaning it handles all washing cycles without user intervention. In contrast, the Auertech Portable Washing Machine operates semi-automatically, requiring users to manually control the washing and spinning processes. This difference significantly impacts user convenience and the overall washing experience. When it comes to capacity, the Auertech Portable Washing Machine offers a significantly larger washing capacity of 18 pounds compared to the BLACK+DECKER's 1.7 cu, 4 or 11 pounds. This makes the Auertech a better choice for larger loads, while the BLACK+DECKER is more suitable for smaller households or limited laundry needs. Price is another crucial factor to consider. The BLACK+DECKER Small Portable Washer is priced at $309, making it a more expensive option. On the other hand, the Auertech Portable Washing Machine is available for $269, offering a more budget-friendly choice without compromising on essential features. This price difference may influence your decision based on your budget. In conclusion, both the BLACK+DECKER Small Portable Washer and the Auertech Portable Washing Machine have their unique advantages. If you prefer a fully automatic machine with advanced features, the BLACK+DECKER is the way to go. However, if you are looking for a more affordable option with a larger capacity, the Auertech is an excellent choice. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more comparisons.